Alright, so I'm going to go through this quick because I already recorded it and then it didn't do it the right way. So, cube root, solving cube roots and cubic equations. We want to move stuff around to get the cube root or cube part by itself on one side of the equal sign. Then we cube or take the cube root of both sides entirely to get the variable by itself, and we check our answers. Use reverse PEMDAS. So, just kind of looking at these. The first one, we had cube root of 11x minus 58 equals negative 9. So you can see we were able to cube both sides to get to here. Then what I did was add 58. So I got 11x equals negative 671. So x equals negative 61. And then all I did was plug it back in. 11 times negative 61 minus 58 is negative 671 minus 58. So that one checks out. So I get x equals negative 61. On the next one, number 2, I had cube root of 3x cubed plus 67 equals negative 5. So this one's kind of multiple steps. First, we need to cube both sides. So that gives me 3x cubed plus 67 equals negative 125. Then I got the 3x cubed by itself, and I divided by 3. So negative 192 divided by 3 would give me negative 64. Equal to x cubed. So then I took the cube root of both sides to get x equals negative 4. And you can see when I plug it back in, I work it all the way through, and it ends up equaling what it's supposed to equal. The third one, the big difference here is we have a 2 out front and cube roots on either side. So there's nothing else I can do to get only cube roots involved. So what I did was cube both sides. So that gave me 8 times x minus 4 on the left and x minus 2 squared on the right. So I multiplied both sides out, so it became 8x minus 32 equals x squared minus 4x plus 4. I then subtracted 8x and added 32 to both sides, and I got x squared minus 12x plus 36. So then I had to factor. A times c tells me 1 times 36 is 36. The two numbers that multiply to be 36 and add up to negative 12 are negative 6 and negative 6. So I only have one solution, x equals 6. And you can see when I plug it back in that both sides equal each other. So the last two are now straight cubic problems. X cubed plus 24 equals negative 3. All I did was subtract 24. So x cubed equals negative 27. Take the cube root of both sides. I get x equals negative 3. When you plug it back in, it works out. Negative 3 cubed plus 24 is equal to negative 3. And then on number 5, I subtracted x from both sides, so I took that to the other side. And then I added 87 to both sides. So I got x cubed equals 64, x equals 4. And you can see when I work it out, we end up getting 41 on both sides. So hopefully this should be something